Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your Google account and verifying access. Make sure two-step verification is enabled for security. Next, search the domain name you want and review availability and premium labels. This saves time. Select a registration period and enable privacy protection if you prefer Who is Privacy, then review the final price in dollars. Once done, proceed to the checkout button and prepare billing info. You need a valid payment method to complete purchase. Now you manage DNS and connectivity. You go to Domains, select your domain, and open DNS settings to add CNAME, and MX records. Use provided IPs and hostnames. If you're connecting to Google Workspace, follow the guided setup to create MX and verification TXT records. This proves ownership. Once entries are saved, allow propagation time, 15 minutes to 48 hours depending on TTL. Make sure to check email routing and subdomain mappings. Finish by enabling security and renewal options. Enable Google Managed SSL for HTTPS if your host supports it, and confirm auto-renew and billing details so the domain doesn't lapse. You then test the site, email, and subdomains in a browser and mail client. Use incognito mode to avoid cached results. If something breaks, flush your local DNS cache, reopen DNS settings to confirm record accuracy, and remember propagation can take up to 48 hours. This usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.